Hello everyone. First upon introducing myself, my name is Rahul Saranke. I have completed BCS from Solapur University, and today's topic is linked list. And today's date is 29th July 2021. Then today's topic discuss about the linked list. Then what uh, what is linked list? Linked list is a can be defined collection of objects calls node that randomly stored in the memory. That's called linked list. A node contains two fields. For example, data stored at particular address at the point which contain the address of the next node that calls memory. Store in memory, that's called linked list. The last node of the list content point to the null point. Okay, for they that can be how to uses of the linked list. The list of not required the but uh, connectly present to memory that node can reside the where in the memory and linked together to make a list. The achieve optimize the utilization of the space. List size is limited to memory size. Size doesn't the need to the declare into advice. Empty node can be present in the linked list. So we can store the value in primitive data or object to the singly linked list. Then next is why using linked list over array. Okay. Till now we were using a data structure to organize the group of the element of the stored the individually the memory. However, array is several advantages and disadvantages which must be the known is order to decide the data structure which will be used to get the program. Array contain following the limits. The size of array must be the known as advice before the using the program. Okay, then easy to understand for a simple linked list, array linked list. How to dynamically grow in. Then discuss the simple example. Then creating a single class. That creating a class name is a array linked list. Then that class in then integer array uh, एक integer size that pass the size is 5 एक index variable and एक index array is equal to int uh, integer array a is equal to new int and then size is the declare the size in this one. Then creating a method public void non-return type void method add. Then that can be return parameterize uh, parameterized method that can be passed the main method variable that can be stored in the pass the this method will be uh, catch and pass this method and one by one methods and add in this uh, index. Okay, then uh, at a time index is greater than 5, then that time exception. Then over exception, that time if condition, then a dot length index greater than or equal to a dot length, that time creating a second array. Then this value is 75 in growth, 70% in growth, and that this memory store a variable as all the b variable, and that can be this variable point to the this point to the this point to the this address. Okay, A address B. Then print method, line by line. The method is the uh, one by one for loop using, and then print the all variables. Okay. uh, then discuss about the what is a linked list type, and a simple example of the linked list, and discuss about the linked list. So thank you so much.